When you want to create something, you want the right shot. But it isn't always about the best shot or gear. It's about the story. What story are you telling?
I ain't got shit.
But you're supposed to tell a compelling story.
Why are you coming back to me? Focus on the story.
With his probe lens, canned mist, and professional lights, the magic starts to happen. The creative juices begin to flow.
God damn! The fuck are you talking about? Ain't shit flowing. All you supposed to be doing is getting the behind the scenes. This ain't even a real fucking video.
But it is.